good Sunday afternoon to you. Mike here, The Fresh Rents, on location in Milford. Only my Cincinnati friends will understand that. Here to clean 2 awnings. Look at here. I've got to really take care of all of these plants. Let me show you this. So the owner of this restaurant called 20 Bricks in Milford has asked me to come clean the face of all these awnings as much of the top as I can get. And I'm choosing to do it on the Lord's Day, Sunday, this beautiful day of our Lord, because they're closed on Sunday. Otherwise, I would have to come very early in the morning before anybody gets here. And I didn't want to do that here as we are approaching deep fall. And then I have a second awning all the way down here where I am parked. The problem is this restaurant is open. It concerns me greatly because I'm going to be using a lot of bleach. So I'm going to wash this one first, get it out of the way, and I'm going to move all of this stuff. I'm going to let the workers know that I'm here to work. Okay, I have pivoted a little bit, made the adjustment. I really wish this car weren't here so I could get my rear end of my vehicle or my rig out of the street. I am not going to wash that other restaurant. It's open. That's their only entrance. Customers would be walking through the algae side, so it's just not going to work. So their arborist or horticulturalist or whoever was supposed to remove all of the potted plants. I've removed them, and I'm just going to have to water this extremely well. Just not the best scenario, but hey, we're blessed. We're working. We're working. We have a job. Let's do it. Notice the pulsating in my M5 twist. I have a bad check valve in my 8-gallon-a-minute machine. It kind of works to my advantage a little bit because it allows for like sledgehammer effect, but I'll have to change that out. Not good for the machine. I'm not sure how clear the audio is on this. I'm shooting about a 5%, and I'm not getting good pressure for some reason. I think it just had a little airlock in there. There it goes. It's picking up now. So you'll see I have people walking down the street. I was to understand that it was going to be completely people friendly, and that's not the case. I'm also cleaning this limestone porch area, little wall, as part of the process. It's not terrible. So the patron who was parked there has left. At least I'm out of the road, not violating some city ordinance or another one. Fun times. All right, so I'm spending an exorbitant amount of time in watering this foliage here. I just do not want this stuff to get burned up while this dwells. So the M5 twist at its narrowest point, with that pulsating due to the bad check valve, is doing a great job of bringing off the lichen that has formed on the awning. So I'm going to remove this lichen and then go back with another treatment of 6% SH and just let it go. It should turn out new. It should, I say. All right, for my second round of SH on the awning, I'm gonna have to just let this dwell. I may take a brush and kind of agitated a little bit. But I must say, the bad check valve on my 8-gallon-a-minute machine, causing that machine gun like pulsating, works greatly to my advantage. One reason I don't like to wash on Sundays is because Pastor Jerry, he's like hellfire and brimstone. He's trying his best to ransom a world of iniquity from the everlasting pits of hell. And all I can think of is,
I wonder if I have enough SH on my rig. I really gotta start focusing. More focus, Mike.
one last dose of SH. I'm about to run out. I'm just going to let this dwell. I'm not going to rinse it off, though I will rinse the foliage. Yeah, it's coming out very, very nice. All right, so scratch what I said about not rinsing the awning. I remember a video that I watched once on YouTube by Raymond Burke. And he said it's not the awning that doesn't like the SH, but it's the thread in the awning. And so you should always heavily rinse. I just remembered that. And so now I can go back and heavily rinse the awning one more time. It really is coming out nice. Let's take a little walk. So you remember it was nice and black. Came out great. Yep, super happy with it. So one day this week, I will park right there at about 8 o'clock in the morning and tackle that awning. Dang it, dang it. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.